So Jeff O'Brien was out of town, but it was good air. Well, I thought it was good air, so I thought I'd get me a quick flight. It's a little breezier than I liked. Got up, and it was a little bouncy. I was trying to decide, do I want to keep flying or just land and be done with it? What I didn't know is that I was getting ready to have a problem, and that is that somehow my pull starter rope pulley, the best I can tell, it came off the frame, and here it is. Guess what? It goes through the prop. Yeah, not a good thing. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. Looked like it somehow broke away. My netting broke now. Man. Huh. But I'm down in one piece. So best I can tell, I didn't actually break the rope because I was at idle, but it looks like I probably have a broken spring in my pull starter and got some torn netting. But overall, I'm safe, I'm sound, all's good.